Question number 21 of the review says, divide 5 1/5 by 1 3/20. And you're going, this looks kind of complicated. I don't know what to do. Well, when you see a mixed fraction, in both cases, you're probably best off to change it to improper, which means this is 26/5 divided by 23/20. Now, you're not sure how I got that. I've just changed mixed fractions to improper, which is simply multiplying the denominator by the whole number and adding the numerator and then keeping it over the original denominator. But that's a different lesson altogether. Hopefully you know how to do that. Now I look at this and say, well, it's division, and we all know that we're not supposed to do division because that's a no-no. We change it to multiplication and use the reciprocal. Now I have a question where it's multiplication, so multiply the tops, multiply the bottoms. I like to cross-reduce. I'm going to do that. 20 over 5 is actually 4 over 1. That makes it easier for me. That gives me 104 over 23. Now, if you didn't know what I did there, you could just multiply it all out. So I'm going to do it back over here for those people who didn't cross-reduce. That's going to be, 520, is that right? 520 over 115. That stinks. That's going to be awful difficult to work with, but we'll work with it anyway. This is improper, so we'll change it back to mixed. How many 115s are there in 520? There's 4 of them. That's 460 with 60 left over. Then I reduce that by dividing top and bottom by 5 because it ends in 0 and it ends in 5. That gives me 12, 23. Oh, good, that's lowest terms. That's not so bad. That's not so painful. I bet you that's a choice. Yes, it is. It's A. A is your answer. Now going back over here, I could also reduce it. How many 23s? It's going to be 4 and blah, blah, blah. Ultimately, I'm going to get the same answer. Okay, good.